Old Mutual General Insurance Kenya has announced the launch of its new monthly premiums plan, which is designed to provide customers with a flexible and affordable approach to managing their insurance coverage. The plan was developed in response to Old Mutual's research, highlighting the financial management challenge facing majority of Kenyans. The Old Mutual Financial Services Monitor recently revealed that almost half, close to 48% of working Kenyans are financially stressed, and that overwhelming 9 in 10 Kenyans consumers are earning less than or the same as they did prior to COVID.
Monthly premium plan is designed for our customers to bring flexibility and affordability to the annual premiums that we charge. Our assessment has been that most families are currently struggling with annual premium. So the monthly premium is designed to bring accessibility and allows our customers to have a better financial planning for their insurance policies. We're enhancing accessibility and affordability of insurances so that with the launch of our monthly payment plan, then a bigger majority of Kenyans would be able to protect their properties and also purchase health insurance for their loved ones. So the key message is the accessibility and affordability that we're trying to address with this payment plan method.
Kenya and Mayotte have formalized a Malta partnership to strengthen economic